Hi, hello. I am from ASNL Technology. Today we can see live streaming using Raspberry Pi. In this project we are using Raspberry Pi 3. Here we can see total 40 pins are there, and here we can see there are 4 USB ports, one Ethernet port and one audio jack, and here we can connect Raspberry Pi camera. This is HDMI port, and this one is USB port. Here we can connect USB to power up and to dump the code. To connect the display, here we are using display port. Here we are using 32 GB memory card to dump the OS on Raspberry Pi. To do live streaming, we are using camera, which is Logi camera, developed by Logitech, which is of 720 pixel, which is USB compatible. Now we can see how to interface the camera with Raspberry Pi. This is USB camera. Just we need to plug in this to the USB port. Here we are using 0th port. I am connecting here to the USB port. Like this we need to connect the camera module to the Raspberry Pi. Now we can see how to do the live streaming using Raspberry Pi and USB camera. Here import CV2 is used for computer vision tasks like image processing, video analysis. Here cap equal to CV2 dot video capture. This means here we are connecting the camera module to the 0th serial port of the Raspberry Pi. Here in this if condition we are checking whether camera is opened successfully or not. This function is used to test whether camera is opened or not. When this function key was 0, then we are printing error message could not open video device, and we are terminating the execution of the program using exit function. Here we are setting the camera width and height, which is width is 800 and height is 600 we are setting. For continuously capturing the image, we are using while true loop. This code will execute continuously. Using cap read function, we are reading the frames frame by frame and which are stored in frame. Using ret, we are checking whether the image is successfully readed or not. If image is not successfully readed or captured, when ret is 0, means we are printing error message here, error like failed to capture image, and we are terminating this loop. If this condition is not satisfied, then it will come to CV2 image show. Here we are displaying the image frame by frame. And to stop the execution using keyboard, we are using Q. When we press Q button in keyboard, it will stop the execution and this loop will get break. CV2 wait key means here it will wait for 1 millisecond, and condition is used here. Here 0 cross ff means this one is used only to read the last 8 bits. Whenever the q is pressed, the loop will break here. After loop get breakdown, we are releasing the camera. Camera is closed now, and whichever the windows are opened while live streaming, those windows are closed. To run this code, click on Run button. Now we can see frame window is opened. Like this, we can stream using Raspberry Pi and USB camera. Like this, we can live stream using USB camera, which is connected to Raspberry Pi. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.